देखो 17 group, what are 17 group elements? Is nothing but halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine are nothing but 17 group elements. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, astatine are 17th group elements. अच्छा, these are first like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine called halogens. Salt forming substance are nothing but halogens. अच्छा, fluorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Radioactive element is astatine. General electronic configuration is NS2. General electronic configuration is NS2NP5. The most reactive element in periodic table is fluorine. Halogens are more reactive because it having 7 electron valence shell. It gain 1 more electron in order to get octal configuration. That's why these are more reactive elements. The most reactive element in periodic table is fluorine. So fluorine is called super halogen also. These elements are collectively called as halogens. Halogens salt producing. देखो 15 group elements are called pincogens, 16 are chalcogens, 17 are halogens only. Right? अच्छा, mostly all these are highly reactive, non-metallic. अच्छा, little bit iodine is a metallic character, but the remaining are almost all are non-metals only. So where in periodic table is present 17th group in periodic table only. Fluorine, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine only. देखो fluorine है. What is the color? Also you can check the fluorine color is what is the color of the fluorine? Pale yellow color है. अच्छा, with MnO2 reaction will get color of the fluorine also. Fluorine color because it is the observed visible region only. Pale yellow color है fluorine है. Now chlorine है pale yellowish green है. Color of the chlorine is pale yellowish green है. Now bromine is reddish brown liquid है. Reddish brown liquid है. अच्छा, very dangerous also. Fumings of the bromine is very dangerous only. So reddish brown liquid है. Iodine is a violet color है. Dark black violet solid है. देखो fluorine is a gas, bromine is a gas. Sorry, fluorine is a gas, chlorine is a gas, bromine is a liquid, iodine is a solid है. Violet color solid है, iodine है. Astatine is a radioactive element है. Is a black solid है. Radioactive element है, black solid है. So these halogens have different colors है. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine है. Let us discuss colors of the halogens. Now, according to IUPAC name, 7 A group elements are called what? 17 group elements. Because periodic table में 18 before noble gas there are halogens are there. 17 group elements are nothing but halogens only. Very simple banda halogens are according to IUPAC 7A. But right now in modern periodic table there is no AB group sir. Starting from 1 to 18 group only. So 7A group elements are called as 17 group elements only. अच्छा, generally the halides like NaCl, NaBr, NaI in large proportion occurring. Large proportion చూడండి. Large proportion occur in sea water only. Large proportion because in the form of iodides, like in weeds, mostly iodides are present only. Astatine is a radioactive element. Except astatine, remaining are non-metals only, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Now they go occurrence. Generally, these are in the form of apatite family only. Apatite family only. Fluorine is very less abundant element in the earth crust only. More reactive element in periodic table. Mainly insoluble fluorides फ्लोराइड्स है, हेपेटाइट्स में है, like this is a fluorospor, calcium fluoride. Sometimes they ask what is the formula for fluorospor? Calcium fluoride is nothing but fluorospor. देखो कलर देखो कैसा है कलर. अच्छा, cryolite है, one of the important minerals of the fluorine is cryolite है, Na3Al6 है. अच्छा, I think in extraction of in purification of aluminum, after the purification, extraction of aluminum, one of the impurities added is cryolite to increase the fusion temperature, decrease the melting point also. As it is called apatite family. In 15 group elements also we discuss apatite family. Calcium fluoride, calcium chloride, calcium phosphate, etc. These are called apatite family. Floral apatite, chloral apatite, etc. This apatite formula. Remember this apatite formula is a formula you remember. Calcium phosphate and calcium fluoride. Chloroapatite means CaCl2 only. Like this apatite family formula, sometimes they may ask. Now occurrence. Occurrence of 17 group elements. Right. Acha, fluorine very minute quantity under the Earth's crust also, but very small quantity is also present in the soil and river, like in water plants. Very small quantity, minute quantity. That's why fluorines are mostly available in seawater only. The most abundant, the most occurrence of halogens are in seawater only. Like bones and teeth, the fluoride, because in toothpaste also we can see the fluorides, they will write ppm only, 1 ppm, 3 ppm, 4 ppm only. Bones and teeth of animals also containing fluorides only. Acha, chlorine mainly occurs as a sodium chloride solution by mass, around 2.5% by mass. Chlorine is mainly occurs in sodium chloride only. And the carnallite, sometimes they may ask the question carnallite formula. What is the formula for carnallite? KCl MgCl2.6H2O. Formula for carnallite. Achha, very familiar है sodium chloride. Common salt is sodium chloride. Common sugar is sucrose. Very common thing. What is the common salt? Sodium chloride. So chlorine mainly occurs in the form of sodium chloride. By what percentage mass? 2.5% by mass only. Of course, it is also available in the mineral carnallite. Carnallite is also example for double salt. देखो that carnallite. अच्छा, bromine is a liquid. अच्छा, it is a fuming red brown liquid at room temperature. Very difficult to inhale this fumes only. So generally, bromine related particles are not did in laboratory. Where it is very dangerous. Fuming red vapors are observed. Achha, how it is available means it occurs colorless soluble crystalline mineral salt. Generally, river gaani, ocean lo gaani manaki bromine water, bromine anedi occurrence untundi. But iodine ke liye they will ask the questions. Achha, most important in seaweeds, mostly this is in seaweeds containing up to 0.5% of iodine only, in the form of NaIO3, in the form of NaIO3, in the form of NaIO3, NaIO3, in the form of NaIO3. So occurrence of iodine previously asked है. अब the diagram also देखो कहाँ seaweeds means ये वाला. Iodine content is more only here. अच्छा, this is also question है. Chili salt, Indian salt is a NaNO3, chili salt is KNO3, which containing around this sodium iodate. What I said, this is sodium iodate. Sodium iodate. So 0.2% of sodium iodate. Chili salt containing 0.2% of sodium iodate. Formula for sodium iodate NaIO3. Because nowadays they are asking the question from NCERT line to line. This is a content is made from NCERT only, so line to line I framed this PPTs only. This is radioactive element. No need to discuss this radioactive element. Occurrence is very less abundant in the group only. The formula of carnallite. अच्छा carnallite formula everybody knows KCl MgCl2.6H2. अच्छा ऑप्शन में देख लीजिए, easily understand. अच्छा common thing is KCl MgCl2. The number of water molecule है. For confusing purpose only they are asking you what is the number of water molecule है. .6H2O. 6 water molecules है. So obviously second option is correct है. Formula for carnallite है. KCl MgCl2.6H2O. This is formula for carnallite. अच्छा, the percentage of iodine now only I discussed 0.5% है. अच्छा, in the form of water, sodium iodate है, NaIO3 है. Like chili salt also containing iodine content is more only. So the percentage abundance of iodine in seawater which is around 0.5%. But numerical based question they never asked you. But information only this is because NCERT they are given this percentage only. Achha, now only discusses silly saltpeter is a good source of iodine only because in the form of NaIO3. In the form of NaIO3 now. That is 0.05% in Japan, NaIO3. In the form of iodine in the form of NaIO3. In the form of NaIO3 only. Right? Chalo. अच्छा, properties है. अच्छा, electronic configuration is general electronic configuration is NS2NP5. There is no exception, there is no ambiguity. General electronic configuration. Valence shell में 7 electrons है. There is no ambiguity over NS2NP5 electronic general electronic configuration है. These are more reactive elements है. Since it required one more electron to attain octet configuration है. To attain octet configuration, it required one more electron. That's why more reactive. The most reactive element in periodic table is halogen. Fluorine only. Fluorine is called superhalogen. Fluorine is called superhalogen. Generally, periodic table is a graphical representation of Hopper principle. Entire periodic table is a graphical representation of Hopper principle. I think you might know Hopper principle is based on what? N plus L rule. Hopper principle is based on what? N plus L rule. The entire periodic table is the filling of the electron in orbital is nothing but due to Hopper principle only. So periodic table is nothing but graphical representation of Hopper principle. Hopper principle only. अच्छा, जैसे Hopper principle N plus L rule है, N plus L rule है. How will fill the electrons है? Lowest energy level देखो यार, N plus L rule में here 1 plus 0 1 है. N plus L value कितना है? 1 है. N plus L value कितना है? 2 है. N plus L value 3 है. N plus L value 3 है. This is 4 है. N plus L value 3 plus 2 5 है. N plus L value 4 है. 5 है. 6 है. 7 है. Like 5, 6, like 7. 5 plus 3 8. Like 6, like 7. 7. 6 plus 1 7. 6 plus 0 अच्छा ये 6 है 7 है 6 plus 2 8 है 7 plus 0 7 है 7 plus 1 8 है. Now this graphical representation है. देखो graphical representation means देखो ये वाला initially ये 1 है 2 है 3 है 3 है then देख लीजिए 4 4 5 5 5 देखो 5 5 then 6 6 6 then 7 7 7 7 8 8 8. Suppose both orbital having same n plus L value, then which is a principal quantum number greater, higher energy level only. For example, आप देख लीजिए 3d also 5, 4p also 5, 5s also 5, but principal quantum number greater for 5s is more energy one. Like 6 6 6, principal quantum number 6 is more, 6s is more energy one. This is the Euler diagram. I think in atomic structure also we discussed Hopper principle. Entire periodic table is graphical representation of Hopper principle only. अच्छा, in detail है electronic configuration है. I think this is also not required for you because every students, but information only I am providing to you. For information only I am providing to you. अच्छा, one electron less for octet configuration. That's why fluorine is more reactive and moreover which are close to the nucleus only. More reactive element in periodic table is nothing but fluorine only. The electronic configuration of fluorine. In case of fluorine, 3s2 3p5. In case of bromine, 4s2 4p5. In case of iodine, 5s2 5p5. The only the number of valence cells will change only. Number of valence cells only change. In case of fluorine, 3s2 3p5. In case of fluorine, 3s2 3p5. In case of bromine, 4s2 4p5. In case of iodine, 5s2 5p5. That's it. The only change is the electronic configuration of valence shell. But general electronic configuration is same as ns2 and p5. अच्छा, क्लोरीन के लिए सेम है. I go for faster because chlorine also same है. But chlorine में vacant d orbital is also possible. Fluorine में no vacant d orbital है. That's why chlorine form number of variable oxides only. Oxyacis also chlorine also. Vacant d orbital है. Of course, this also one electron less है. Similarly, bromine also same है. Electronic configuration. इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है यहाँ. अच्छा, 4s2 4p5. Iodine is 5s2 5p5. Astatine is 6s2 6p5. Number of valence electrons only difference है. Means principal quantum number only difference है. Number of valence electrons are same. Right? Iodine also 5s2 5p5. 5s2 5p5. Astatine also 6s2 6p5. In general electronic configuration is ns2 np5 is correct only. All halogens are more reactive because valence shell में there are 7 electrons. In order to get octet configuration, it required one more electron. More reactive. This is general electronic configuration. Everybody knows that ns2 np5 is general electronic configuration for halogens. अच्छा, क्लोरीन के लिए 3s2 3p5. अच्छा, in brief you can write. फ्लोरीन के लिए 2s2 2p5. क्लोरीन के लिए 3s2 3p5. अच्छा, ब्रोमीन के लिए 4s2 4p5. अच्छा, ब्रोमीन आयोडीन के लिए 5s2 5p5. एस्टिन के लिए 6s2 6p5. फिर स्टार्ट विद सेकंड पीरियड है. फर्स्ट पीरियड में कोई हैलोजन नहीं है. सेकंड पीरियड स्टार्ट 2, थर्ड पीरियड, फोर्थ पीरियड, फिफ्थ पीरियड. You remember the periods only. Then automatically ns2 np5 electronic configuration. अच्छा, atomic properties, atomic radii, ionization energy, electron gain enthalpy, etc. we are going to discuss. अच्छा, for our kind of information, in a periodic table, देखो atomic radius in periods, left to right decrease होना चाहिए, टॉप टू बॉटम इंक्रीज होना चाहिए. अच्छा, फॉर एग्जांपल हाइड्रोजन हीलियम తీసుకుంటే లైక్ లిథియం नियान తీసుకుంటే हीलियम इज सपोज्ड टू लीस्ट होना चाहिए बिकॉज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू पीरियोडिक ट्रेंड. बट नोबल गैसेस में इन नोबल गैसेस है, दिस इज नथिंग बट वैन डर वाल्स रेडियस. Van der Waals radius. Van der Waals radius is greater than atomic radius. Nothing but covalent radius. Halogens हैं, for example, halogens यहाँ शुरू होता है, फ्लोरीन है, ब्रोमीन है, आयोडीन है. Actually supposed to be noble gases less होना चाहिए, less ఉండాలి noble gases. కానీ Van der Waals radius వల్ల noble gases more ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి పీరియడ్ లో లీస్ట్ అటామిక్ రేడియస్ ఎవరికి ఉంటుందంటే ఫ్లోరిన్ హాలోజన్స్ కు ఉంటుంది. Top to bottom anyhow increases only, but left to right decrease होना चाहिए, but up to halogens only we discussed. In a period, atomic radius decreases up to halogens only, not for noble gas. Noble gas के लिए the radius is considered to be van der Waals radius only, right? Nothing but van der Waals radius only. So that's why here, they noted that this is the point is important. Atomic radius decreases up to halogens, not noble gases. Again, noble gas के लिए increase हो रहा है because of van der Waals radius. This up to halogens only. अच्छा, in generally group है top to bottom increases है, period में decreases है, but up to halogens only. देखो, top to bottom है, there is no exception है, because number of shells increases है, automatically distance increases है. देखो, number of shells increases है, shielding effect increases है, so that's why size increases है. Once again देखो, number of shells increases है, shielding effect increases है, atomic and ionic radius increases only. Atomic and ionic shielding effect increases means outer electrons, inner electrons are more affinity. Kabatti inner electrons ki outer electron ki there should be interelectronic repulsion. Repulsion rate expansion ho. Ineffective ante d orbital, f orbital ineffective ante nemo contraction jarugutundi. Contraction ante size tagutundi, expansion size perugutundi. Number of shells perugadam valla expansion jarugutundi, size perugutundi. Top to bottom, left to right reverse. देखो, fluorine, chlorine, no need to memorize the values only, but top to bottom size increases only. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine only. Astatine radioactive element है. Very good. Top to bottom size increases only. No need to mug up the values. अच्छा, this is very familiar है. Anions है. Like example है. I minus is more radius than I. Anions are generally more radius than a neutral atom. Like Br minus is more radius than Br. Like Cl minus is more radius than Cl. Effective nuclear charge for electron. This simple thing. I think this might understand every student because we studied in a periodic classification. Periodic classification, I think you remember. Periodic classification में ऐसा हमने discuss किया. I minus is greater than I, which is greater than I plus है. Anion is having generally more ionic radius when compared to cation. That point only discussed over. Now X. Valence shell में how many electron count करो? 7 electrons. You can count number of valence electron. अच्छा, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As it gain one more electron, it attain octet configuration. So what is octet rule means? An atom, a group of atom or ion having 8 electron in the valence shell is more stable, nothing but octet configuration. So there are 7 electrons are there in the valence shell. It required one more electron to attain octet configuration. So its reactivity is more. This is a parent atom. Extra electron to be added over here. This is extra electron. This is extra electron is added. Now देखो कहाँ add कर रहा है? Once again देखो, extra electron added over there. It becomes 8 electrons. Then now this is a parent atom. This is a ion. Anion size increases only because whenever extra electron is added, inner electron and outer electron, inter-electronic repulsions are more. Whenever repulsions are maximum, then expansion will take place. Whenever expansion takes place, size increases only. So atomic radius is always less than anionic radius only. Extra electron is there, so repulsions are maximum only. Whenever repulsions are maximum, expansion will take place, size increases only top to bottom. अच्छा, arrange the following in increasing order of ionic radii. अच्छा, top to bottom ionic radii increases only. Top to bottom atomic radius increases only. Achha, which is the correct option? D is greater than C, then B, then A. Top to bottom ionic radius gaani, atomic radius gaani increase avutundi top to bottom. In that there is no exception cases now. Due to which of the following reasons halogens possess the smallest atomic ionic radii? Achha dekho, because they belong to 70 group, because they are placed to extreme left to the modern periodic table, because this is called effective nuclear charge expressed by valence electrons. Achha, one more option. None of these correct. The only one relevant option is there. You can see one relevant option. Extra electron is there. So extra electron is effective nuclear charge expressed by valence electrons. Is a maximum, right? Achha, down the group atomic radius increases only. Left to right decreases up to halogens. Achha, both are not possible. Down the group increases, left to right decreases up to halogens, but not noble gases. I have repeated, but not noble gases. Up to halogens only, atomic radius decreases only. Halogens में van der Waals radius है, but halogens में covalent radius only. For your kind of information, van der Waals radius is greater than covalent radius only. Now next, ionization energy. Achha, what is meant by ionization energy? Means the amount of energy required to remove the electron from isolated atom is ground state. Achha, anyhow trend hai, periodic trend hai, ionization energy also top to bottom decreases only. Achha, instead of losing electron, it gaining electron is more. Because loss of electron, again it become unstable only. For example, it gain one more electron, it is more stable only. But practically not possible, but theoretically possible. What is meant by ionization energy? Means the amount of energy required to remove the electron from isolated atom is ground state only. Achha, practically not possible, but theoretically possible removal of electron only. But anyhow, top to bottom IP value decreases only. Top to bottom ionization energy decreases only. Ionization energy decreases down the group. Across the period increases, down the group decreases only anywhere, any period. There is no exception. Therefore, values are no need to memorize the values, are no need to mug up the values. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, top to bottom, IP value decreases. Fluorine, which is closer to the nucleus, very difficult to remove the electron. As moreover, practically it is not possible to remove the electron. The reason is more EN value, more tendency to accept an electron rather than giving electrons only. But practically not possible. Theoretically is possible to remove the electron. That's why they give an order of the ionization enthalpies in the group. Top to bottom decreases only. Achha, order. Top to bottom decreases only. Fluorine is the most because which are close to the nucleus. A second period में, third period में, fourth period में, fifth period में. Second shell में, in order to remove the electron, very difficult when compared to fifth period में. So IV values are more in case of fluorine than compared to iodine. Achha, this is very important. Halogens have maximum negative electron enthalpy. Achha, what is meant by the electron gain enthalpy? Electron gain enthalpy nothing but one atom isolated state में एक atom है, particular non-metal है, and accept an electron है, it becomes X minus है. Yet the amount of energy released is nothing but exo. This is called EA values. These first EA values are exothermic. But whereas second electron affinity is endothermic. Suppose one more electron is added over here, we get X2 minus is very difficult process. For this process, delta H is equal to positive. Achha, first electron affinity is exothermic, remaining all electron affinity is endothermic. Because already existing electron, incoming electron, there should be inter-electronic repulsions. Very difficult to add an electron. That's why energy required to add an electron. But in case of first IP1, first EA1 value, easily electron added because noble gases, halogens required one more electron to attain octal configuration. Easily can accept easily can take an electron only when compared to remaining elements in the periodic table only. because this required one more only one electron है to 18 octet configuration है. Easily can add an electron, very easily add an electron for halogens only. So among the periodic table, which of the following group is more electron affinity values are 17 group elements are. But among the group there is not a regular trend है. देखो chlorine is more electron affinity है. देखो fluorine is less than chlorine है. देखो here fluorine is less than chlorine है. This is a trend है. This is a question है. In periodic table also we discussed why fluorine is less when compared to chlorine है. I will tell you. देखो फ्लोरीन है being a very small size है. अच्छा क्लोरीन है being a large size है. अच्छा even fluorine also chlorine also. फ्लोरीन में वैलेंस शेल में 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. ओनली वैलेंस शेल आई एम राइटिंग 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. even chlorine also 7 electrons है. Even chlorine also 7 electrons. Now I am going to add one more electron over here. I am going to add one more electron over here. Of course, here also getting one more electron over here. Addition of electron is nothing but electron affinity. And now one more electron. Acha, being very small, there should be inter-electronic repulsions. Inter-electronic repulsions. अच्छा इंटर-इलेक्ट्रॉन repulsion between the existing electron and incoming electron है. अच्छा existing electron की incoming electron की in between there should be inter-electronic repulsions है. Because electron density is more है. Electron density is more because small size. अच्छा ये large size है same electron होंगे. अच्छा density is nothing but mass by volume ना. अच्छा अगर volume ज्यादा है तो इसमें density कम है. So somewhere empty space is there, vacant space is there. Electrons are easily added over here. Electrons are easily added over here. So chlorine atom there is no electronic repulsion side. So electrons are easily added to the chlorine. So chlorine having highest electron affinity when compared to fluorine. This is only exception case. Remaining bromine iodine का decreases हो रहा है because non-metallic character decreases only. Non-metal has more tendency to accept a pair of electrons only. अच्छा chlorine being very small, being a more EN value, fluorine is a very small. But whereas chlorine is a large size కాబట్టి vacant space ఉంటుంది electron ఈజీగా యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. స్మాల్ కాబట్టి vacant space తక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి existing electrons ki incoming electron they should be inter-electronic repulsions. So little somehow difficult when compared to chlorine. It is addition of electron. This is only exception case है. देख लीजिए. अच्छा values है no need to bother about the don't panic about remembering the values only. You have to go for sequence only. अच्छा here some students are confusing sir negative values क्या है. अच्छा सर అన్నిటికన్నా ఎక్కువ దీనికి కదా లెస్ నెగటివ్ కదా. నెగటివ్ వాల్యూ చూడదు. నెగటివ్ కా మీనింగ్ ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్డ్ అంతేగాని వాల్యూ నెగటివ్ కాదు. చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలిసినా కూడా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. సార్ నెగటివ్ వాల్యూస్ లో లీస్ట్ కదా హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ అయోడిన్ హైయెస్ట్ ఉండాలి కదా. కాదు. నెగటివ్ సైన్ ఇండికేట్స్ ఓన్లీ ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్డ్ ఓన్లీ. సో దట్స్ వై ఆర్డర్ యూ हैव टू फॉलो द न्यूमेरिकल मैग्नीट्यूड ओनली यू हैव टू कंसीडर. अच्छा देखो सबसे ज्यादा क्लोरीन है, उसके बाद फ्लोरीन है, देन ब्रोमीन है, देन आयोडीन है. अच्छा नेगेटिव साइन इंडिकेट्स ओनली एनर्जी रिलीज्ड है. डोंट बी पैनिक अबाउट नेगेटिव साइन है. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर कंफ्यूजिंग एंड दे डिड मिस्टेक, ब्लंडर मिस्टेक है. अच्छा लीस्ट वैल्यू इज हाईएस्ट मींस नो नेगेटिव वैल्यूज ओनली यू शुड कंसीडर ओनली एनर्जी रिलीज्ड है, नॉट इन द वैल्यू. अच्छा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी है. अच्छा फॉर ए वेरी वेल फेमिलियर एग्जांपल है अकॉर्डिंग टू पाउली स्केल है. Electronegativity means tendency of an atom to attract shared pair of electron towards itself only. अच्छा electron affinity is isolated atom है, but electronegativity is a bonding है. अच्छा bonding suppose ये HF है, ये HF है. देखो HF है, अच्छा ये कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी आप देखना, दिस इज पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है. Fluorine have a tendency to attract this pair of electron towards itself. Partial negative charge, partial positive charge. Combining capacity is only nothing but electronegativity. Only single electron added is called electron affinity. So they are very much electronegative. In periodic table, highest electronegative elements are nothing but halogens only. Among the halogens, highest is fluorine according to Pauly scale 4.0 value. Chlorine के लिए 3.0 है, right? I think top to bottom decreases, there is no ambiguity over here. There is no ambiguity over here. Most EN value. अच्छा, most electron affinity chlorine है. Most EN value is fluorine only. देखो, no need to memorize, no need to mug up these numerical values हैं. But for your kind of information, always these are familiar, ना? These two are always familiar. अच्छा ये 30 sorry 3.2 नहीं, approximately 3 only. अच्छा bromine also less than 3, 2.8 something only, but 3 is correct time chlorine, because chlorine కూడా 3 నే ఉంటుంది, nitrogen కూడా 3 ఏ ఉంటుంది, only 3 ఏ ఉంటుంది. But whereas nitrogen is more EN value compared to chlorine because small size అని చెప్తాము. So fluorine 4.0, chlorine 3.0 అని రాసుకోండి. bromine ఇంకా తక్కువ 2.8, 2.9 రాసుకోండి. Right. Also make a correction for this. Actually, this is also very important. Bond dissociation enthalpy. I think you remember in periodic classification also we discussed. Bond dissociation enthalpy is Cl2 is greater than, Br2 is greater than, F2 is greater than, and lastly iodine. I think you remember very large size. Iodine में very large size है. देखो ये वाला है bond है. This is internuclear distance. Very easy to break iodine है. Now in case of fluorine है, very small है fluorine है. Whenever very small है, interelectronic repulsions are break the bonds. अच्छा here also, अच्छा ये bond पे रहा है ये वाला. अच्छा ये देखो ये वाला, because of very small है, interelectronic repulsions है, lone pair bond pair repulsions are maximum है, bond easily break होता है. That's why this very large है, too large है, easily break. Too small है, interelectronic repulsions है. Chlorine bromine is optimum level है, that's why more bond dissociation energy. Periodic classification we discussed this with examples also. Now you see the values है. देखो फ्लोरीन है, क्लोरीन 242 है, ब्रोमीन 192 है, फ्लोरीन 158 है, आयोडीन 151 है. अच्छा, no need to once again mug up the values, just you have to remember the order only, that's it. Chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine. They may ask the questions like this only. Right? Right. Chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine. This is the order of bond dissociation enthalpy order. Bond energy, bond dissociation energy, both are same for diademic molecules. Achha, although electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less negative when compared to chlorine. Achha, what is the reason? Achha, fluorine being a very small size, more hydration. Being very small size means interelectronic repulsions. And the fluorine being very small size, easily hydrated. F minus hydration energy is more. देखो, अच्छा hydration enthalpy is more in case of fluorine, and interelectronic repulsion में FF bond will break very easily. Because of small size, interelectronic repulsion bond will break easily Small size కాబట్టి high hydration enthalpy ఉంటుంది. Because of high hydration enthalpy, it is having strongest oxidizing agent. As for your kind information, all available, the fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent. Next to the fluorine, ozone. Next to the fluorine, second highest is ozone. Already we discussed in previous chapter, ozone. The strongest oxidizing agent is nothing but fluorine only. After the fluorine, ozone is the strongest oxidizing agent. The reason is because of high hydration energy of the F- only. But whereas electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less when compared to chlorine because of this reason only. There should be inter-electronic repulsions. Whenever inter-electronic repulsions, very difficult to add an electron over it. Right? Sure. Actually, in every period, halogens have high ionization enthalpy. No? Halogen కన్నా ఇంకా noble gas ఉన్నాయి కదా. అచ్చా noble gas తీసేస్తే correct statement. But if you include noble gases, statement is incorrect only. Because halogens కన్నా ఇంకా IP values ఎక్కువ noble gas ఉంటుంది. Because stable electronic configuration. So first statement is incorrect only. Reason देखो. In every period, halogens have less atomic radius. Acha, this is correct only. Because halogens में radius is van der Waals radius है. Halogens में sorry, noble gas में radius van der Waals radius है. Halogens में radius covalent radius है. This is correct. అంటే assertion is incorrect. Reason is correct statement. Once again, see, ionization enthalpy is highest అన్నారు కాదు. You know, for your kind of information, highest IP value in periodic table is helium. Noble gas are highest IP value. Very difficult to remove the electron. But whereas atomic radius is the minimum for halogens, because you go for noble gases के लिए van der Waals radius है. That's why statement A is incorrect. Reason R is the correct only. So what is your statement? What is your answer? A is a false statement, but R is a true. I think the fourth option is correct. A is a false statement, but R is a true statement. Right? Sure. Very simple one. General periodic trend only. अच्छा, halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy respect to periodic table, because halogens में valence shell में 7 electrons. If it gain 1 electron, it will become more noble gas configuration. So halogens are more reactive, is a more non-metallic character, ready to gain an electron. That's why halogens are having highest EA1 values in periodic table. This is due to this very small size, because halogens periodic table halogens are small size kabatti more tendency to gain electrons, more tendency, and moreover in order to obey the octet configuration is more reactive, can take electron very easily only. So that's why halogens have maximum electron gain enthalpy in respect to period of the periodic table. Why? These are all in-test questions are given in NCERT textbook only, right? Why chlorine has high electron affinity than fluorine? చెప్పుకున్నాం, క్లోరిన్ లార్జ్ సైజ్ కాబట్టి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది, అంటే స్పేస్ వేకెంట్ స్పేస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఈజీలీ కెన్ యాడ్ అన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్. బట్ ఫ్లోరిన్ బీయింగ్ వెరీ స్మాల్ సైజ్ కాబట్టి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెన్సిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఇన్కమింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ కి and existing electron ki there should be inter-electronic repulsion. That's why chlorine is highest electron affinity. Already explained. देखो, due to small size of the fluorine atom, the incoming electron greater repulsions in fluorine atom. Incoming electron and already existing electron, there should be inter-electronic repulsion only. To overcome these repulsive forces, we require more energy to add an electron only. But whereas in case of fluorine, being a very large size, there is no inter-electronic repulsions because more vacant space is there, easily can add an electron only. So that's why chlorine is highest electron affinity when compared to fluorine. Achha, more or less same statement only. अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी ऑफ हैलोजेंस ऑर्डर है. इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी फॉर हैलोजेंस ऑर्डर देख लीजिए. chlorine ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, then fluorine, then bromine, then iodine. ఈ రెండు ఆప్షన్స్ కరెక్ట్ ఇన్కరెక్ట్. దట్ మీన్స్ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్, థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఓన్లీ కరెక్ట్. ఫ్లోరిన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, తర్వాత ఫ్లోరిన్, తర్వాత బ్రోమిన్, తర్వాత అయోడిన్. electron affinity of halogens. अच्छा, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज देखो. अच्छा, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में when you suppose गैस में वैन डर वाल्स प्रेशर कम है, लिक्विड में इन बिटवीन सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड, सॉलिड में वैन डर वाल्स प्रेशर मोर है. अच्छा, नॉन मेटालिक कैरेक्टर है. देखो जनरली फ्लोरीन और गैसेस हैं, ब्रोमीन इज ए लिक्विड है. The periodic table में liquid non-metal is a bromine only, and iodine is a volatile solid only. So solid మనకి గ్యాస్ నుంచి సాలిడ్ కి van der Waals ఫోర్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి మనకి మెటాలిక్ నేచర్ గానీ గ్యాస్ టు సాలిడ్ నేచర్ గానీ పెరిగిపోతుంది. అది చెప్పుకున్న వెల్లోయిష్ గ్యాస్ అన్నాం ఫ్లోరిన్, అదే క్లోరిన్ అయితే గ్రీనిష్ వెల్లో, క్లోరిన్ అయితే గ్రీనిష్ వెల్లో అంటాం. రెడ్ వేపర్స్ బ్రౌన్ రెడ్ లిక్విడ్ అంటాం. మనకి వైలెట్ కలర్ ఉంటుంది అయోడిన్ అనేది, అయోడిన్ వైలెట్ కలర్ ఉంటుంది. అఫ్ కోర్స్ యాస్ట్రిన్ సాలిడ్ బ్లాక్ సాలిడ్ కాబట్టి no more discussion. देखो ये कलर्स भी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड है. अच्छा, फ्लोरीन गैस and liquid, this is bromine liquid is solid, iodine is solid only, like physical states of the halogens. अच्छा, कलर देख लीजिए, येलोइश, ग्रीनिश ब्लू, लाइक रेडिश, रेड वेपर्स हैं, वायलेट कलर है, एसिटिन इज सॉलिड है, ब्लू सॉलिड है. अच्छा, डेंसिटी आल्सो टॉप टू बॉटम साइज इंक्रीजेस ना, डेंसिटी इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम डाउन द ग्रुप वन. मेल्टिंग and boiling points increase down the group because van der Waals forces increases हैं. When bonding and van der Waals force increases, automatically melting and boiling points also increases. This is a general trend, no ambiguity over here. अच्छा देखो, all the halogens are colored. చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం కలర్ ఎలా వస్తున్నా, halogens are colored అని. క్లోరిన్ గానీ, బ్రోమిన్ గానీ, అయోడిన్ గానీ, ఫ్లోరిన్ గానీ కలర్, because these radiations are absorbed radiation seen in a visible region. So any radiations are seen in ultraviolet region, colorless hai, but seen in a visible region, it is a color only. Depends upon, suppose iodine violet color untundi, like fluorine, depends upon size of the halogen only. Absorbed color different from transmitted color hai. देखो source of light, so transmitted color different, observed color is different. देखो ये ट्रांसमिटेड लाइट है, सपोज ये इंसिडेंट लाइट है, and these rays are emitted only. So transparent color is different है, absorption color is different है. This is a transmitted light, this incident light. अच्छा, मैं for example copper sulfate is मैं చూడడానికి generally actually it is orange color है, but transmitted light में it appears like a blue color. अच्छा, complementary color है కనిపిస్తుంది మనకి. Whenever you can see complementary color only, you have to see only. Incident light color different है, but transmitted light color different. Transmitted color only final color. Complementary color है, इसका complementary color देना. Other D black elements I discuss the complementary colors of what? Atomic size already increases top to bottom. Already discussed the physical properties. Atomic गाने ionic size गाने top to bottom increase होते हैं. अच्छा, absorbs more energy because small size का more energy. अच्छा, more energy absorb होते हैं, it emit less energy radiations only, right? Electrons are tightly held because of, once again you can check it. Being very small size, it absorbs more energy. Then electrons are tightly held. So transmit energy is very low energy. అచ్చా లో ఎనర్జీ ఏమున్నాయి మనకి విబ్జాల్లో చూడండి, విబ్జాల్లో లో ఎనర్జీ వైలెట్ కానీ ఇవి లో ఎనర్జీ అంటారు. బట్ ఈ లార్జ్ సైజ్ ఉంది చూడండి, లార్జ్ సైజ్ కాబట్టి అబ్జర్వ్ లెస్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. లెస్ అమౌంట్ ఏమున్నాయి మనకి రెడ్ కలర్ కానీ విబ్జాల్లో లీస్ట్ ఎనర్జీ రెడ్ కలర్ ఉంది, అందుకే బ్రోమిన్ అనేది రెడ్ కలర్ లో కనిపిస్తుంది మనకి. So electron loosely held kabatti less amount of energy sufficient. Electron strongly held kabatti more energy of energy required only. So transmitted energy ivanni. Acha you remember absorbed energy one color, transmitted energy one color. So why halogens are different colors? Because of size, depends upon size only. Small size atoms are absorb more amount of energy, that's why transmitted colors are different type. But large size is absorbed less amount of energy, so appears is different color. अच्छा फ्लोरीन कलर है, pale yellow color है. अच्छा greenish yellow color है, pale greenish yellow color, yellowish green both are same only. अच्छा reddish brown liquid है, bromine is reddish brown liquid है. Iodine is violet color है. Now physical properties है, fluorine and chlorine react with water, but the bromine and the iodine is very less tendency, and the top to bottom reactivity decreases one. But for a kind of information, fluorine is the highest most reactive element in periodic table. Fluorine and chlorine react with water. For a kind of information, iodine and water low reaction, iodine when dissolved in water, that is a delta G is a positive value. Delta G positive value we have seen only in iodine when dissolved in water only. But fluorine and chlorine easily react with water. Fluorine and chlorine easily react with water only. Top to bottom reactivity increases only. देखो bromine and iodine are only sparingly soluble in water. Bromine and iodine sparingly soluble water కాబట్టి soluble in polar solvents. Sorry, non-polar solvents. Non-polar solvents మీకు తెలుసు organic solvents. Chloroform గాని, CCl4 గాని, CS2 గాని, acetone గాని etc. చూడండి ఫ్లోరిన్ క్లోరిన్ అనేది వాటర్ లో సాల్యుబుల్ అవుతుంది, టాప్ టు బాటమ్ రియాక్టివిటీ డిక్రీజెస్ అవుతుంది. బ్రోమిన్ ఐయోడిన్ స్పెరింగ్లీ సాల్యుబుల్ అవుతుంది, అయోడిన్ అనేది K తో ఈజీ సాల్యుబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ యువర్ కైండ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, అయోడిన్ ఈజ్ ఈజీలీ సాల్యుబుల్ ఇన్ అయోడిన్ K సొల్యూషన్ లో. పాలీహైడ్రైడ్ అయాన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది KI3, నథింగ్ బట్ I3 మైనస్ అయాన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. अच्छा for a kind of I3 minus sp3 hybridization is a linear geometry, linear shape है. अच्छा जनरल इंतु मुंदु अडिगिन क्वेश्चन, iodine అనేది when compared to water it is more soluble in K, and iodine water లో soluble అవటం, iodine అనేది iodine dissolved in water in this reaction delta G is equal to positive non-spontaneous reaction. Delta G is positive non-spontaneous reaction only. Remaining are spontaneous reactions only. Fluorine react with water, OF2 will be formed and some F2 is also liberated. Like chlorine reaction, like chlorine, this is familiar reaction. Nascent is familiar, very familiar reaction. Easily can react with. These are nothing but oxidizing nature of chlorine only. Bleaching action of chlorine nothing but due to liberation of nascent oxygen in water only. So top to bottom reactivity decreases. Iodine easily soluble in K when compared to water also. But being a more covalent compounds, these are easily soluble in non-polar solvents. Non-polar solvents ante chloroform gaani, acetone gaani ivi, right? Sublimation property is iodine, because volatile liquid, volatile solid. Solid direct గా వేపర్ కన్వర్ట్ అవటాన్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే సబ్లిమేషన్ అంటాం. ఫ్లోరిన్ ఆ ఛాన్సే లేదు గ్యాస్, క్లోరిన్ ఆ ఛాన్సే లేదు గ్యాస్, సాలిడ్ కే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది, బ్రోమిన్ లిక్విడ్ ఆ ఛాన్సే లేదు. సో సబ్లిమేషన్ అంటే ఏం చెప్పాలి, ఐడిన్ వాల్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ సబ్లిమేషన్. సబ్లిమేషన్ అంటే మీకు ఐడియా రావాలి, సాలిడ్ నుంచి వేపర్ అవటానికి సబ్లిమేషన్ అంటాం. ఫస్ట్ మూడికి ఛాన్సే లేదు ఎందుకంటే సాలిడ్ కాదు కాబట్టి. వోలటైల్ సాలిడ్ ఏముంది, ఐడిన్ ఒకటే ఉంది. కలర్ ఆఫ్ బ్రోమిన్, బ్రోమిన్ అనేది రెడ్డిష్ బ్రౌన్ కలర్ ఉంటుంది. వైలెట్ కలర్ ఏమో అయోడిన్ ఉంటుంది, గ్రీన్ కలర్ ఏమో క్లోరిన్ ఉంటుంది మనకి, వెల్లో కలర్ ఏమో ఫ్లోరిన్ ఉంటుంది. కలర్ ఆఫ్ అయోడిన్ వైలెట్ కలర్ లో ఉంటుంది అయోడిన్. ఎప్పుడైతే అయోడిన్ కి స్టార్చ్ కనుక యాడ్ చేస్తే దిస్ వైలెట్ కలర్ చేంజెస్ ఇంటూ బ్లూ కలర్. స్టార్చ్ అయోడైడ్ పేపర్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ బ్లూ ఇన్ కలర్. వన్ ఆఫ్ ది టెస్ట్ ఫర్ అయోడిన్ ఆల్సో. అయోడిన్ కి స్టార్చ్ సొల్యూషన్ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఇండికేటర్ బ్లూ కలర్ లో వస్తుంది. అయితే డెన్సిటీ కావచ్చు, మెల్టింగ్ అండ్ బాయిలింగ్ పాయింట్ కావచ్చు, టాప్ టు బాటమ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తాం. దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఎక్సెప్షన్. మెల్టింగ్ పాయింట్ కానీ, బాయిలింగ్ పాయింట్ కానీ, డెన్సిటీ కానీ టాప్ టు బాటమ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. రైట్. So this is first part of the halogens. Tomorrow we are going to discuss second part of halogens. Second part का मतलब separately we can discuss fluorine के बारे में and chlorine के बारे में. So one class fluorine, one class fluorine. We will finish halogens.